Let me ask you something before we dive in. Are you ready to take charge of your energy and live your best life? I mean, really ready? Think about it. Are you prepared to wake up every single day with the determination to protect your peace and focus on what truly matters? Because if you are, then I've got 5 essential places where you should never waste your energy. These insights will empower you, keep you grounded, and remind you of your worth. And guess what? I've left an important question for you in the comments section because your thoughts matter just as much as mine. After the video, check it out, and let's inspire each other to be our best selves. Now, let's talk about 5 places where you should never waste your energy. Number 1, don't waste your energy on people who don't support you. Look, we all have those people in our lives who drain us more than they uplift us. They might be friends, family, or even colleagues who don't believe in your dreams. It's crucial to recognize that not everyone in your circle has your best interests at heart. These energy vampires often project their insecurities onto you, making you doubt your abilities. Don't give them the power to hold you back. Surround yourself with those who lift you up and encourage your journey. Seek out individuals who celebrate your victories, no matter how small. You want to invest your energy in relationships that nurture your spirit, not drain it. When you surround yourself with positivity, you become a magnet for success. Remember, every moment spent on negativity is a moment you're not investing in your greatness. Cut ties with the naysayers and make room for the supporters who see the fire within you. Choose to be around those who challenge you to be better, who inspire you to dream bigger. Your energy is precious, so protect it fiercely and let go of anyone who dims your light. Surround yourself with a tribe that pushes you towards greatness and reminds you of your potential daily. Number 2, don't waste your energy on what others think about you. Let me tell you something. People will always have opinions, but that doesn't mean you have to let their opinions dictate your life. We live in a world full of judgments and expectations, but your worth isn't determined by the perceptions of others. If you're constantly worried about what others think, you're wasting precious energy that could be used for growth and self-improvement. Instead, focus on your own vision and goals. Embrace who you are and focus on being your best self. When you stop seeking approval from others, you unlock the door to your true potential. Imagine how freeing it feels to make decisions based on your values rather than the fear of judgment. It's about taking back control and directing your energy towards self-empowerment. Release the chains of external validation and trust your instincts. Surround yourself with those who appreciate the real you, and watch how that energy transforms your life. Remember, the right people will see you for who you are and celebrate your uniqueness. Life is too short to conform to the expectations of others. So, stand tall, be unapologetically you, and let your authenticity shine. Embrace the power of self-acceptance, and watch how the world responds to your newfound confidence. Number 3, don't waste your energy on one-sided relationships. Relationships should be a two-way street. If you find yourself putting in all the effort while the other person takes and takes, it's time to reevaluate. One-sided relationships drain your energy and hinder your progress. Life is too short to chase after people who don't see your worth. Instead, cultivate relationships with those who genuinely reciprocate your efforts. Invest in friendships where both parties uplift and inspire each other. You deserve connections that enrich your life, not deplete it. Remember, it's not about the quantity of friends you have, but the quality of those friendships. Cherish the people who go above and beyond for you, who check in just to see how you're doing, and who support you in your endeavors. It's crucial to set boundaries and recognize when it's time to step back. Surround yourself with those who are as invested in your happiness as you are in theirs. When you find your tribe, you'll create an atmosphere of mutual respect and encouragement. Let go of those who bring you down, and watch how your energy flourishes when you nurture meaningful connections. Ultimately, it's about building a network of individuals who inspire you to become the best version of yourself, where love and support flow freely. Number 4, don't waste your energy on people who need you only occasionally. You know those folks who pop in and out of your life whenever they need something? They only reach out when it's convenient for them. This pattern can be draining, leaving you feeling used and unappreciated. It's time to recognize your value. Don't waste your energy on those who don't prioritize you. Instead, focus on building connections with people who are there for you through thick and thin. These are the individuals who will be by your side during the highs and the lows. Real relationships are built on mutual support and understanding, not on convenience. Look for those who invest their time and energy in you, not just when they need a favor. Prioritize people who genuinely care about your well-being and happiness. It's not selfish to demand reciprocal energy. It's necessary for your mental and emotional health. By choosing to invest your time in those who appreciate you, you cultivate deeper, more meaningful relationships. You deserve to feel valued and cherished, not like an afterthought. As you begin to recognize your worth, you'll attract people who are truly deserving of your energy. When you prioritize authentic connections, you'll find a sense of fulfillment and joy in your relationships that's truly irreplaceable. Number 5, don't waste your energy solving problems that aren't yours. We often take on the burdens of others, thinking we can fix everything. But here's the reality. You can't solve every problem for every person. This habit can lead to burnout and frustration, leaving you feeling overwhelmed. If it's not your problem, don't let it drain your energy. Focus on your path and the challenges that are yours to tackle. It's okay to offer support and advice, but remember, you are not responsible for carrying everyone else's weight. By doing so, you create space for your own growth and happiness. Learn to say no when you need to, and protect your time and energy like the precious resources they are. It's empowering to realize that you can choose where to direct your focus. When you prioritize your own well-being, you become a better friend, partner, and ally for those who truly need your support. Remember, it's not selfish to put your needs first. It's essential for your overall well-being. Embrace the notion that you can offer help without losing sight of your own journey. As you let go of unnecessary burdens, you'll find clarity and strength in your path. Focus on your own growth and dreams, and you'll be in a better position to help others when they genuinely need it. Life is about balance, so make sure you're investing your energy where it counts the most. Understand that by establishing healthy boundaries, you're not only preserving your own energy, but also teaching others how to respect you. Take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you and what you want to achieve. When you step back from trying to fix others, you give yourself the opportunity to heal and grow. Remember, every moment spent on someone else's problems is a moment taken away from your own aspirations. So stand firm in your choices and don't hesitate to refocus your energy on your dreams. In the end, when you prioritize your journey, you'll find that you can shine even brighter and inspire those around you to do the same. Always remind yourself that your time is valuable, and every decision you make shapes your future. Recognize the strength in your journey, and never underestimate the power of self-care. The world needs your light, so let it shine through by focusing on what truly matters to you. By investing in your happiness, you'll not only enrich your own life, but also elevate those around you in ways you never imagined. So, embrace your power, protect your energy, and step boldly into your future. If you've made it this far, drop a 100 in the comments. It shows you are part of the 1% that's improving every single day.